Hi! Ever had the Ecovacs Deebot T9 robot vacuum that seems to have a mind of its own? Like, it won't turn on, won't charge, and when it does work, it's only spinning around like it's dancing at a party and refuses to actually clean. Don't worry, we're here to save the day. Let's dive into how we fixed this issue and got your robot vacuum running smoothly again. Well, that's exactly what happened to one of our customers. Their Deebot T9 robot vacuum was having a total meltdown. It refused to turn on and wouldn't charge. So, they asked us to work our magic and fix it up. First up, we fired up the vacuum to see what was going on. And guess what? It was as stubborn as a mule. Wouldn't turn on at all on the first try. But after a few more tries, it decided to grace us with its presence. It turned on but quickly got stuck in its own little dance routine, spinning endlessly without doing any actual cleaning. After some deep dive diagnostics, we uncovered the culprit, a faulty PCB. This poor PCB was clearly not up to the task. No wonder the robot vacuum was spinning out of control and not functioning properly. We recommended a PCB replacement to get this robot running smoothly again. Once we had the green light from our customer, we jumped into action. Then, we replaced the faulty PCB, and before handing it back, we ran a series of tests to make sure everything was in tip-top shape. And voila! The Deebot T9 robot vacuum was back to its smooth operating self. Look at that, no more spinning, no more stubbornness, just great cleaning power. Our customer was thrilled to see their Deebot T9 performing like a champ again. Got a robot vacuum that's giving you trouble? Don't wait around. Hit us up today and let's get your vacuum back in action.